This is not another to-do list. This is a system that runs your entire life. Meet Life Manager. Tasks, projects, goals, habits, notes, books, money. 1 page, 13 tabs, 0 chaos. Here is the magic. Check off a task and your project progress and your goals update themselves. You do the work, it keeps score. And it is packed with built-in tools you will not find in other templates. A balance wheel that shows where your life is out of balance, a worksheet that turns vague wishes into real goals, a focus timer, and a full finance toolkit. Even your weekly reset is guided. 5 minutes a week and the whole system stays honest. And you are not starting from zero. Step-by-step onboarding and a full help center are built in. Most people are up and running in an afternoon. Life Manager. Stop running your life from memory. The link is below.